Welcome to Happy Conscious Living. I am so excited to have you over here as this is the first video that we have recorded in our new TV studio. So I have a really special surprise at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it to the very end. In the past year, I have completely stopped cutting my hair. So on the 10th of December, I shaved my head for the very last time and I simply let it grow for a year. So I just want to take you in this journey, what I've done for me personally to maximize my hair growth, and so it will grow as fast as possible but also as healthy as possible. And I can truly say that now is the time where my hair has never been healthier than ever before. I'm really excited to share this with you guys right now, so let's jump right in. The first shampoo I was using after I shaved my head was from Dr. Organic, and it was this amazing 2-in-1 shampoo with a CBD oil. So basically it's the cannabis oil that has so many health benefits, and I'm so glad that nowadays it is becoming well more accepted that this plant is a very healing plant. I highly recommend trying to find your own shampoo that has the CBD oil in it, because it's really gonna increase and stimulate the hair growth. So I've been using this one from Dr. Organic, and in combination with the rose shampoo. So I really love this rose shampoo. It has the shampoo and the conditioner. I'm sure you can find a 2-in-1, but to be honest, I really loved this combination. It smells nice, but also the rose extract is just very beneficial to your hair growth. The other shampoo I've been using, which is my absolute favorite, it is the brand Natura Siberica, which I highly recommend. So this brand is an East European brand. They have the most wonderful scents in their hair and skin products. So just if you get a chance to find their store, just try on loads of testers, and it just makes my soul so happy when I just smell these scents. But also after I washed my hair with their shampoos, in particular this one, it really stimulated my hair so much, and it just gave an incredible beautiful shine. Now I'd like to go over the section about supplements. I have been taking some vitamins at the start, just after I shaved my head, for skin, nails and hair growth. So it is basically loads of vitamins in one tablet, which you can take once a day or once a week, depending on how you what is the recommended doses for you. So definitely check with your doctor what is the recommended doses for you. But for me, I just took a few tablets at the start, but to be honest, I'm not much of a supplement or a tablet person, so I prefer to just take in loads of vitamin E through nuts and just your diet on a regular basis. Other than that, I have these little bottles of faux tea, or the saw palmetto, or the horsetail, and these are like little drops that I add into my hair mask. So I will go over that when I'm explaining how I'm creating my own homemade recipes. But these little guys have really helped me a lot. I really believe that the combination of all these products have really helped to have my hair in this excellent condition right now. So what I've been doing on a quite regular basis at the beginning of my hair growth journey, I was oiling my hair. So I maybe did that once every 2 weeks. So I would basically make like a little mixture of different oils that are very beneficial for your hair growth. So I did a whole research for each individual oil that I could find, and I made a list for myself of all the oils that will help me with my hair growth. So what I did is I basically put them all in a tiny bottle, and I added loads of drops until I found the perfect mixture for me. So this is something you should really experiment with. And of course, if you really don't have the luxury of buying all these oils, I would just recommend the Argan Oil. So what I've been really doing is I basically would oil my hair just before I would have my hair washed, and I would leave that in for approximately between 30 minutes and 3 hours. So I always felt like the longer I keep it in, the healthier it is for my hair. But I really use it on the scalp of my head to improve the hair growth. Now you will notice that a lot of your hair is going to fall out. This is completely normal, so don't worry. This is just the hair that is already loose, but just with the oil, it will actually just kind of take it all. And so I wouldn't recommend to do it too often, but it has helped me to have very shiny hair and to stimulate the hair growth again. So after I've oiled my hair, I basically wash it out with regular shampoo. You might need to go over it a couple of times. Normally I wash my hair 3 times, otherwise your hair will stay quite oily. So 1 time is definitely not enough. So approximately 2 or 3 times should be enough. Now, argan oil is by far the most amazing oil I ever had. I absolutely love it how it's not too oily. So if you have just put a few drops on your palms, just rub it into your hands and just go over through your hair. It will leave a really nice shine without leaving any oily residue. So of course, don't overdo it. And since argan oil is quite expensive, so I bought like 100 milliliter bottle, cost me anything between 15 and 20 euros. So it's quite expensive, so use it sparingly, but just maybe 1 or 2 or even 5 drops. Just mix it in your hand and just go over it and work it into your scalp. I wouldn't do like 5 drops unless I would have a shower before that, or maybe I would do it, leave it in before I go to sleep and then wash my hair in the morning. But if you have it throughout the day, then maybe 1 or 2 drops, definitely no more than 3. Just work it into your tips, into your scalp, and just go over your hair like that. Now, the next thing that I've been doing on a very regular basis, especially at the start of my hair growth journey, was to create my own hair masks. So hair masks are basically, I created them with herbs and clays. So it was a mixture between Indian Ayurvedic herbs, Chinese herbs, and just clays. So basically what I did with the hair growth mask, I took a little spoon and I put from each individual ingredient, I would take a little teaspoon and put it in the bowl. And then I mix it with some hot water, so not boiling hot water, but just after you boil it, maybe leave it for about 30 seconds and then pour it into the bowl. Mix it with all your herbs and clays until you have a nice thick mixture. Then what I would do is I would add the supplements in there, I would mix it again, and then add my oils. Now, last but definitely not least, I would also add some essential oils. Now, essential oils are something you have to be a little careful with, because I remember when I was trying to find the right mixture for my acne, it actually made me quite allergic because I used too much of essential oil. So essential oil is normally working best if you use it very, very sparingly, maybe 1 or 2 drops. And what I would do is I would use a carrier oil. So a carrier oil could be almond oil or maybe even olive oil, grapeseed oil. So all these types of oils are carrier oils. And then when you add the essential oils, it mixes in really, really well, and it just has this beautiful therapeutic scent. So after I've mixed all of these ingredients together, I spread my hair evenly with a comb, and what I do is I put the mixture into my hair and I really rub it into my scalp. Start with the scalp and then work my way downwards and cover all the areas as best as you can. Now, after I've put in my hair mask, I put some cling foil and I put it over my head. And what this is going to do is going to heat up the mixture. So it's going to create like a sauna effect on your head. And the heat, that's when all the ingredients are being activated. So that's why it's really, really important to have it nice and warm on your head. So to top it off, I use like a bath cap over my hair. And then I leave this in for anything between 30 minutes up to 3 hours. So for me, it really worked really well when I kept it in for at least an hour. And so what I would do next is I wash the mixture off. And again, just like when I'm oiling my hair, I need at least, 3 times to wash my hair with shampoo, and then I finish it off with conditioner. So in this case, I used my rose shampoo and conditioner, and yeah, basically this is the result. So after that, I just dry my hair really well. I let it air dry. I'm staying away from any heat. So that's basically what I've been doing in terms of products and homemade recipes to speed up my hair growth. Now, since we've come to the end of this video, like I promised, I have a very exciting surprise for you. So Happy Conscious Living is no longer just a magazine, but we are also a TV show and a radio show. So all this is going to be available in our app. So I recommend you to head over to happyconsciousliving.com, subscribe as a member, as either a basic or premium member, and you will have access to the app to get the most out of your happiness lifestyle. Now, I'm really excited to see you on the other side. And remember, if you want to be happy, stay positive.